Today, we're going to take a tour of another historic Denver home. This is 680 Clarkson Street in the Capitol Hill neighborhood of Denver. This home was built in 1893. The home was once lived in by John Clark Mitchell, who was a prominent Denver banker and community leader. This home has 6,026 square feet, 5 bedrooms, and 6 bathrooms. This home is now called the Schomp Mansion, well known for its historical ties to the long-standing car dealership operation in the Denver metro area. The main level also encompasses a library crowned with suede ceilings with views into the magnificent courtyard, a cigar room fashionably reimagined into a bar, and a kitchen that gleams with natural light. A dramatic split staircase ushers guests and residents into a series of blissful private escapes, including a primary suite anchored by a fireplace and flanked by not one, but 2 fully separate primary bathrooms, one of which is grounded by heated floors. Historic splendor flows throughout, from the dazzling entryway to the time-honored architecture and eclectic finishes meticulously curated at every turn. Every detail crafts a balance of luxurious charm with rich, modern living. Formal spaces such as the living area, dining room, and sunroom harken back to Denver's historic past and invite the extravagant soirees of today.